Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Bob with Homestead with Sadie. So today, I got a little project I've been tasked with. And of course I'm always up for doing a little bit of wood project. But what I'm going to do today, started today, it's going to be a 2-day process. But I'm going to take this poster frame, which is a 24 by 36 poster frame, and on the back side I'm going to build a box that will hold Matchbox. And the way it's going to be is, I got to order a poster yet, but I'm going to order a poster, and once it's all done, grandson will be able to grab the bottom, pull it up, and get the cars off of the shelf. So I've been trying to figure out, because I got the backboard for the back to go on there and the board to go on the back of it, and I kind of took one of his bigger Matchbox cars, and what I've been trying to figure out is how wide it's got to be that it's sitting there. Them together, made them all even. So then I got thinking, I think I'm gonna drill the top and the bottom also, and I'm gonna run the dowel all the way and then cut off any excess. I think that's the way to go. That way I don't have to worry about it pulling out. What we got here? So after going back through, they're all going to be 3.5 inches, except for the last 2 rows will be 3 inches, which is big enough for a Matchbox car. And I'm just glad to get that all straight. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and drill a hole. We're going to see how many I go through, but I'm going to make sure they're all flat down in there because I want them all to be level. That way, make them all level. That way, when I drill a hole, I'll take a couple and move them over here and drill a hole in the bottom. Do from this side, then I'll move it over here and do this side. That way I can run the dowel through, all the way through all of them, and then I'll be able to slide them in place. Then I'll go through and I'll mark and measure, put them in place, I'll secure them, and then I'll actually go on the back side and take a stapler gun and staple these into place so they're all in one place. Oh yeah, we'll be able to tap them. I got to use the hammer to tap them down through, but that's good though, because that's tight and we know they will move. Now, take this. I don't want them to come out of there. Okay. this way. I could put a piece of dowel in. I went through and plugged every hole.
With wood putty?
No, with a dowel.
Oh, okay. So you broke off a dowel and put it in there.
Right, because you know how much wood putty that would have took? So. Should I take that one out too?
Maybe take this one out over here to make where it looks like it was planned. Or maybe all the bottom. Or maybe this and then a middle one. So it looks like it was planned.
Cleaning it up. That's stained and clean. I got to get a little paintbrush and some white where I kind of scratched the back building it. But no big deal. We'll get that taken care of. All right, we're back. We're back. Let's get this finished up. This is the back side. Let's get some hinges on it. One more. Go. Now that I got that, what I wanted to do was get you on the table. Take this part. I'm gonna take this. Maybe I can do it the way I want to do it. So let's take this. Take this part. Lay it like that. Now take this part. Because what I have to do. That's perfect right there. Mark over here. I'm gonna turn it around here in a minute. But I need to mark it where I need it to go. Okay, so we're back. So we ran into a little problem. Took care of it with the hinges, but they're on. Fingers are super glued together. But it was just a little something we had to do. So, oh, there it is. So now, I got these two little hooks that I took off the original poster frame. And I'm actually going to mount them. But I think I'm going to do it like this. Get it eyeball measured. There we go. Now just So that's what the front of it looks like. So he'll just grab it from the side, pick it up, be able to access his cars. Now, obviously it'll be a whole lot easier when it's attached to the wall. But it was supposed to be a quick project. I wasn't supposed to glue my fingers together. And I should have been done a couple days ago. But I'm done. That's all that matters. Now I can hand deliver to him tomorrow. Whoa, look at all them cars.
Go pick one. Oh,
Is that the one you just got?
go put it back.